It's quiet, oh so still here in the afternoon. God, I think of you. Tell me, is it true? So quiet, I can hear my heartbeat everywhere, knocking on my chest. Would you put my mind to rest? So now I'm asking, dear God, is there still a place for us where we belong? So when you feel like you are giving up, oh, it's written in the stars that your love will keep us strong. Give me peace and comfort when all my fear takes hold. When I lose control, would you come and lift me up?
I'm out here in the wilderness, in the nature, my happy place, love nature. I come to nature just to kind of like decompress, like walking in it, smelling natural, you know, resources and things of that sort. And it's just a place where I just really love it. I really love nature, and this place kind of reminds me. It's in East Texas. I think I said that earlier in the vlog. It's in East Texas, and it reminds me of when I hiked in the Swiss Alps. So it's beautiful. I got lucky. Like July in Texas, and it's cloudy and windy. Like doesn't get any better than that. So I see this here up ahead. It's so nice. It's really lush. Again, it just reminds me of Switzerland in a sense. So I think this may be my new happy place here in Texas. No, but it's really beautiful here. So I'll take y'all along with me on some of the journey.
It's quiet, oh so still here in the afternoon. God, I think of you. Tell me, is it true? So quiet, I can hear my heartbeat everywhere, knocking on my chest. Would you put my mind to rest? So
Hey, I just hiked this entire thing and ran the rest of the way. So I did one way, so it's time to go back the other way. Each time is 5,000 steps, which is crazy. But I just finished it. Took me about 30 minutes to hike it. I love hiking. I'm mad that I forgot my hiking shoes, so I'm kind of wearing these, but it's fine. When you're hiking, long socks because you don't know what you're going to encounter. But also, if you have tights, put the long socks over the tights for compression reasons. It works, trust me. It's unpopular, but it works. You can feel the blood going. But yeah, so I have a little over halfway to go. No, I take that back. I just started the second round, so I got about I got a third of it done, so I got about 3/4 left. So about to do it. About to do it now. Yeah, here we go. Great. It's raining. But guess what? I'm gonna keep going. I got a little bit more to go. Rain don't stop, no show. I was walking in rain in Times Square. Rain don't stop, no show. I'm about to stop this one though, cause it's a warm rain though, so I can't lie. It's a Texas July rain, so I'm here for it. But I gotta get back, so I gotta do the rain. So here we go. It just started raining even harder. But that's what I've overcome right here.